Aliyah world. Tito. One, two, Tito. Hello, Dad. Today I become a step, and I have new chicken here, and I have a big chicken, and Dad I like
Wow.
up there.
You like your kitchen?
Thank you, Mommy.
Oh,
I
you're
see you. I
welcome.
see you.
See you
Found
too.
you.
Yeah.
Found you. Your eyes. I found your eyes and your nose.
Okay, let's start.
I see you.
Are you going to cook for them?
Yeah.
Yes? Yes?
Yeah.
Okay, let's wear your ano muna. Get your outfit. Your chef outfit ba tawag? Your apron and yeah.
It's chicken.
Oh.
And who do that? I think you.
Okay, let's wear it.
1, 2, 3,
Turn.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Ay, nag-counting. Oh, turn. Turn around. Wow. Hi, Chef. Hi, Chef Aliyah.
Hi.
Are you going to cook for us?
Hello guys, today this is my beach, and this is on the topic, and this is on you put some peanuts in the bubble, and you want some and this is the microwave, and
Wow.
this is the oven,
The oven.
and this is where you dry them.
Oh, is that a dishwasher? Wow.
And you can dry them this one too.
Mm.
And you would put here. Mom, it's bits! It's bits!
Yeah.
But how about this?
Look at your sink, baby. There's a full of dirty dishes. I think it's time for...
Wash.
Yeah.
I just put it there and juice it. I do have damage to wash to do and clean my baby with some yogurt. Can you clean my baby with some yogurt?
Yeah, sure.
Thanks.
What are you going to cook
I
po?
cannot cook chicken and flip it over. And flip it like a pancake.
You're going to flip.
And I will...
Oh, you have a gloves.
One job. So, and you
What are you going to cook?
I cannot cook chicken, but it's too hot.
I want tinola.
Okay, but I don't have soup, Dolly.
You don't have soup? You put some soup.
I need my pink tub. Let's use this in that one. When I use it.
Okay. You going to transfer it to the other cup?
But it's so...
You need the help? Okay. Let's transfer everything here. You want to use the pink cup?
Just I need
Why?
that one.
You want pink? Here you go.
Thanks.
You're
How
welcome.
about this one?
Okay, let's put it everything there.
On the... I will put ice.
Oh, you have ice there.
And
Oh,
I don't
yeah.
have the soup, Dolly.
You don't have tinola soup?
I have only
What you
here.
have?
I need ice. I
Okay.
And put it on here. And it will make it don't and like iced tea.
Oh.
Do you like iced tea?
Yes, please.
Okay. Oh, done. Here. Here. I think you wash this. Here you go.
Oh, thank
I will
you.
put it on this one.
Alright.
I will get it, and when you finish that one, and I will pour some more.
Okay. Thank you.
And that's it there, please.
Okay.
And I will make.
Oh, this ice is so good.
Do you want them more?
No, I'm good. Thank you. Here you go.
Make them.
Finish. Done.
This is all Mickey. Oh, one for me.
Chef Aliyah, can I have pizza, please? I want a pizza.
Okay.
One slice.
Okay. I will serve this one. Other people can get it.
Okay.
Oh. Put out this. I need these. Do you want some hamburger? I don't have I don't have it and patty. Sorry.
I want pizza, diba? I asked you
Okay.
earlier. Okay. One slice, please.
Okay. This is too hard for me. I just let it in my hand like this. And put it down here. And do you want some plate?
Yes, please.
Okay. The blue plate or a pink plate?
Any color.
Okay, a pink
Color of
plate.
what?
Too high.
You can't reach. Okay, I'm gonna help you.
Pink.
Aliyah, here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Ah.
Uh-oh.
Mm. There you go.
Right. Thank you.
Dum.
What flavor is this?
That is with mushroom like this.
Veggie?
Veggies.
Veggies.
And
Yummy, yummy.
macaroni.
Pepperoni.
No, it's like macaroni.
Macaroni.
So I have this. And this is for oil patty. But this is too black. I can't do it this.
Can flip it.
And put it back again.
Mm-hmm.
Like that. I want super duper high
Mm-hmm.
and high.
So yummy naman ang pizza. I'm done.
Thanks.
I'm so full. Can I have a water?
Okay. I think.
Cold ice with ice, huh?
Okay. But this is just ice and water.
Cold
Here you
water.
go.
Thank you.
But that is not so yet.
You put.
I need to put that on the plate. Huh? Huh?
Come go wash. Washing, wash, wash.
But I need the brush.
Where's the brush? Oh no, it's missing. Oh, here. Oops, sorry. Sorry.
Just this
Are you making a dessert?
one. But that is not with the one yet. But maybe I want to make this one. Baby Yoda one. And I need this one too.
Wow, ang dami ah. A pink cupcake, a blue cupcake, and a white and orange cupcake. I think this is orange flavor, right? Oh, I like this one. Pink. It's strawberry cupcake, I guess.
That one. I would like that one too.
Because you like pink.
I need to mash it.
I think I want a strawberry. I'm gonna take this one.
No, I'm not strawberry. I'm not cupcake. This is cupcake.
Okay. Because I saw strawberry here in your arm.
This
Here.
is two pajamas.
Pajamas for sleeping. Oh yeah. You're still wearing it.
This is blueberry in the top.
Wow, blueberry in the top.
And it's have I think here. And it's have like this. I think too.
Icing.
Pink icing.
Pink icing. Wow.
Mash.
Smash, smash, smash.
All done. Here.
Wow, thank
I
you. So good.
One. The yellow one. Just this. This is my favorite.
Okay.
Almost there. Oh, I forgot.
Oh, you forgot to close.
And where my pink one?
I think you forgot in the car.
Then Daddy think it.
Yeah, sure, later.
But I want that.
You can take it later.
I have to clean up with you.
Have to clean up like me. Good job.
Put here.
Wow.
Where's that?
It's good that you're cleaning up, right? You're helping your parents. Wow, that's good. Oo. Sipag naman yan ah. Thank you for cleaning up.
Juice.
Close na? Okay.
Bye, guys. My job is just now. Bye. Subscribe and
See you in my next vlog.
see you next vlog. Bye.
Two, three, come in. Close your eyes lang while going inside. Yan na, close lang ha. Okay.
1,
1, 2, 3. Open your eyes.
Yay! What? Egg! Egg! I like this. Hey, this is for the punch.
No, that's a cell phone.
This is for the paper. Hey!
Are you happy? Huh? You like it?
Yay! Big one, big one. This big one. I gonna wash my
Patingin ng mukha. Paano happy?
Hi guys, I ate it. Hi, Justin. Hi, Justin.
What's the ulam?
It's
Ulam. It's our ulam. What is it?
for the good.
You happy? Yay! Paano happy?
Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi guys. One, two. Daddy, you have two tapeon. Two tapeon. Mommy have one tapeon.
Yeah.
What it?
I have
Well, one. Someone.
one tapeon.
Hey na. Yay.
Open.
What you will say?
Thank you. Thank you, I like it. Mama, it's our. Thank you for watching and to subscribe in our channel.